Welcome back, YouTube. This is going to be part 8 of my tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. And at this point you guys should have a cube that looks something like this, where you have the first 2 layers of your cube solved. And right now in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to start solving the last layer of your cube. So the goal of this video is to eventually have you get something like this, where there is a cross on the top of your cube in yellow. Right now we're not going to worry about these 4 corner pieces, so if one of them happens to be yellow as well, or not yellow, it doesn't matter. All we're worried about is the cross. So you can have a number of cases. You could have something like this, where there is only a dot. In other words, these 4 pieces are not yellow on top. You could have a case where you already have your cross, like this one. You have your cross. You could have a case like this, where you have a line. Or you could have a case like this, where you have an L. So let's go ahead and get started. So the easiest case that you could have, besides already having your cross solved, which can happen sometimes, is to have the line. So you have your line. Now what you want to do when you have your line is you want to hold it so that it's horizontal. In other words, if you're holding your cube like this is your front face and this is your top face, you want it like this or like this, not like this or like this. So this is good. So from here you're going to perform the following algorithm to go straight to the cross. You're going to go front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take you to the cross. So again, that algorithm is, let me set it up one more time. From the line, all you have to do is front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take you to the cross. Okay, so that's one case. The next case that you can have is the L. Okay, so here is an L. So from here, what we're going to do is you're going to hold it exactly as I am now, with the L in the top left-hand corner. In other words, this is like this, and it's encircling. This L is eating up this top left corner piece. So don't hold it like this, don't hold it like this, not like this. This is how you're going to hold it. From here, you're going to perform the same algorithm that we did for the line. So you're going to go front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take you to the line. Now we already know what to do from here. Hold it horizontal like this, not vertical, but horizontal. And again, we're going to perform that algorithm. Front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take us to the cross. Okay, so now the last case, and this is the most time-consuming one because you have to perform the algorithm 3 times, is when you only have a dot. So now when you only have a dot, it doesn't matter how you hold the cube so long as the dot is on top, so long as the dot is your top face. So it could be like this, it could be like this, like this, like this. It doesn't matter so long as the dot's on top. Your 2 solved layers are on the bottom, your dot's on top. Then you're going to perform the same exact algorithm as we did before. So front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that will get you, if you'll notice, to the L. here's your L. Okay? Now from your L, if you'll recall, we're going to perform that same algorithm again, keeping the L in the top left hand corner. So when you have your L like this, this is your L. Remember that the corner pieces don't matter. This is your L. So when you have it like this, you're going to hold it like this so that it's up and to your left, and you're going to perform the algorithm again. Front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take you to the line. Again, hold the line so it's horizontal, not vertical. That's vertical, that's wrong. That's horizontal, that's correct. Hold it so it's horizontal. This is your front face, and do the following algorithm. Same one. Front, right, up, inverse right, inverse up, inverse front. And that'll take you to your cross. Alright, so that's it for this video. The next video, I'll show you the next step to solving the last layer of your 3x3 Rubik's Cube.